I want to give you one other opportunity here. If you're the kind of person who wants the greatest experience out of everything that you take advantage of, right? People who win look for the best path forward, not the fastest path forward. And the VIP experience that we have created for a ridiculously small investment will put you in a room with all the other VIPs, all the other people who are looking for that best path forward, so that you can be collaborating and networking with those people as we're moving through this event. You'll also get VIP access, early access into the sessions, and we have some VIP laser coaching sessions that are only available for the people who take advantage of that deal. But the best deal that we have on the table, the one that makes this all worthwhile, is our post-event debrief. We're event experts. We've done hundreds of events. We've done hundreds of millions of dollars worth of sales at events. And we want to unpack this for you. So everybody who's a VIP, for a simple $197 investment, you get a luxury experience at this event, a post-event debrief, where we're literally going to unpack this. We're going to let you see what we did to plan it, how we built it, how we built it, how the results of the event went. We're going to share you the good, the bad, the ugly, and everything in between, and let you know exactly how it can be implemented for you so that you can win. That alone is worth 10 times that investment, much less everything else is there. So for a simple $197 one-time investment and 3 days of your life, we can change how you're selling forever so that you can start making more sales without getting better at selling by implementing our Make More Sales playbook, putting my sales brain, all of our team's experience and compassion on the line for you over the course of 3 days so that you don't have to figure this out on your own and you can walk away selling. Join us at the event.
Can't wait to see you.